should I play turn red, Mom?
It looks the same, oh.
Mom,
Look closer, ate.
Mom, look, they have a garden there.
Look closer first. I'll show you later the okra. Look, oh, that's a kind of weed.
I almost dropped it.
Look if there are seeds.
Oh, there's a plenty. Should I take one?
Yeah, bring that home. We'll observe. Ah! What's this, ate? What's this?
Malunggay.
Malunggay. Oh,
Does someone own the garden? It has a lot.
yeah, I think so. How about,
Is there
where's
okra
the chili?
A chili. Ooh, something's orange over there.
Yeah, this is also chili.
They're growing chilies.
Yeah,
They
it's
want something because maybe grown-ups are doing this.
Let's
look.
check what
Mom,
variety.
look, they recycled this. They
Oh,
they
yes.
used it for the fence.
What else do you know? Which plant do you know here?
Oh, banana.
Yes,
Banana's
that's
there.
banana. Oh, there's a bunch of banana there. Oh.
Yeah, there's a lot of bananas. I want to harvest it.
Ooh, what is that plant?
Eggplant.
Yes, it's an eggplant. Do you eat eggplant? Kali, oh, eggplant.
No, Daddy, no. Jim can come. A white butterfly. Butterfly.
Yeah, it's a butterfly there.
Oh, two.
Jedi, can you find the eggplant?
It's right there. It's purple.
Jedi, where's the eggplant?
It's right there. It's right there. It's purple. I see it. It's purple. It's purple. I see a white butterfly. I found two.
Yes.
Okay,
let's look for the okra.
I want it.
Kali, let's look for the okra. What else do you see?
Look,
What's
we
that
found
on top of that tree stump?
Yay.
Riel, what's that on the tree stump?
It looks like that's aloe vera.
It looks like an aloe vera.
It's an aloe vera from the next floor.
Oh yes, you remember.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's
It
go.
looks like, Mom, if we can get some aloe vera, it can be, Mom, aloe vera is good for our skin, right?
Yeah, in here. You know, this one,
Oh, there's something right there.
I used to play with this when I was young, but you have to dry it up first. You dry it up and then you put it in water and observe what happens. Let's ask permission and wait for them to dry up, okay?
What's that thing right there?
Where?
Like that one?
Which one? Which one?
That one? Yes, the yellow thing.
Oh, look closer.
I don't know what that is. Kind of looks like a ball. Jay, your crown, I have to fix it.
Okay. Kali, you wanna taste the nectar?
The nectar will taste sweet. Can I have another taste at it, please?
Oh yeah, okay.
There's another flower.
There. You have to pull that.
Mom, one is a bud over there.
Yes. Ball. Okay, pull. Brian.
I'll pull it.
Slowly.
How do I? Oh, there's an ant on you. Have a taste of I can't get it. Yeah, you're right. Mommy,
Use your nails there.
It's slippery.
There. Taste the edge. The watery edge. What's the taste?
It's yum, nectar.
What's the taste?
Yummy.
Get your own.
It's so yummy.
Is it salty? Sour? What's the taste?
I gotta get my own.
It's sweet.
Pink I like. The hot
It
pink.
looks pink.
It's pink. There's some
This one
that's
is
light pink.
oregano. Let's see, let's see.
Look at
Are those berries? Are those fruits?
I'm not sure.
Touch it, touch it.
I'm gonna touch it. Can someone hold the weed for me? That's a big
Kali, look oh.
black bird. Where? Oh, it's hot. It's smooth.
Can you squeeze it? Squeeze it, Kali, squeeze it.
Oh, there's juice inside.
Ooh. How about you, Jedi? Get
There's
one.
juice inside, Mom.
You too, Brielle. Squeeze one.
Give me one. How could I take
There's
it out?
white flowers.
Give me one. Give me one. Juice, Mom. There's juice.
Juicy. Can we taste this? Alam mo to,
I
Eliza?
think I'm only gonna taste it, but if you wash.
Hindi
I'm only
nakakain.
gonna taste it if you wash it.
Don't eat it.
Give me the weed.
Okay, let's go.
Look at it.
Why do you think they're dead, Jedi?
Because I think the ending is. I think it's just because they wanted to. I think the snail just wanted to crawl up there.
Oh, you think they crawled up there? Nobody put them there? Oh, Jedi babies! Insect babies!
Mom. So cute. So cute. Ate! Mom, can we go home